Hi, science class, is it? Oh, sounds like peanuts and flat Pepsi. Pitchers and catchers reported yesterday. I almost missed it. I think for the White Sox, they actually report today, but they started reporting yesterday for the Cubs. So baseball is coming upon us. Also, it is Abraham Lincoln's birthday. Happy birthday to who many consider America's greatest president. Would have been 210 years old today. At least that's what Alexa told me this morning. I'm going to trust that she knew what she was talking about. In honor of that, instead of a nation divided, we're going to be looking at continents divided, or actually put back together. We are going to be taking a look at this thing on continental drift. It's an activity looking at that, and then analyzing evidence about continental drift. So kind of getting you in that mindset of the claim and the evidence and the reasoning. The claim here obviously is that continental drift is a real thing. We did the CER on that, or some of us did. A lot of those have not been turned in. We continue to have updates to PowerSchool, but grades should be up to date on Google Classroom for any work you've actually turned in so far. Today, the activity, again, similar to the one we've been doing the last couple of days, following instructions. We'll be answering these questions here. Actually going to get them onto a Google form for you to make it a little bit easier. Partially easier because your stuff you're going to cut out is on the back of there. And then the final page that you're going to turn in is going to be this analyzing evidence, continental drift. It's going to ask you to cut and paste. You can go ahead and paste on the back of the analyzing evidence page. Hopefully all of those instructions made sense. That is the primary thing that we are working on today, so we're going to be continuing to work with our coloring and art supplies. Please be respectful of the supplies. There is a limited quantity, but there is plenty for everybody to go around. So please make sure to share and make sure to be polite to one another. It is Wednesday, so we are, of course, on slightly shortened schedules, which means I'm going to get out of the way, and happy Wednesday.